Identity and access management is one of the fastest growing spaces within the cybersecurity industry. What drives me as an entrepreneur is the ability to take an idea from nothing and go create something really, really large from it.
Cybersecurity always an important topic for Citi. Trust and protecting people's assets is job one.
And so when we started to work with Transmit Security as a potential investment prospect for us, the first person we called internally was John Miller. And he's been a trusted partner with me for a decade.
It's definitely arms race. The bad guys are getting better at what they're doing. They only have to be right once. We've got to be right all the time. We are always looking for opportunities to close gaps and improve on existing technologies. And Citi Ventures has been really great at helping us identify what some of those opportunities are out there.
Rakesh and Mickey have been building businesses and investing in security companies for years. So I made it a point to stay in touch with Rakesh over the years.
One of the things I love about Arvind is that we were working with him constructively for more than 6 years, and he was giving us help without anything, without an investment in the company.
We're meeting with Arvind and Matt on a monthly basis. We're talking about a number of topics. We're talking about what the latest threats, to not only the city, but the financial ecosystem.
In a large company like Citi, we have several thousand applications, the authorization and authentication system was very fragmented. So when we came across Transmit, they'd built sort of a modern system that was modular, that could plug into many, many systems. It could be that uniform platform that every application uses.
We needed a solution that could bring the best of breed within the industry together into one capability. And that's what Transmit really offers us. Transmit is, the orchestration layer. Applications are integrating into Transmit, and through Transmit, manage that ecosystem and make it easier for the application developers to get the best of what's out there.
So we were fortunate to become investors in the company. And since that time, the innovation has accelerated. They have gone into passwordless security. Not just that you're replacing passwords with biometrics, but actually completely replace passwords.
Passwords are the root cause of more than 80% of the security breaches around the world. Citibank worked with us for many years to help develop this solution and be able to scale, meet the regulatory requirements, and prove that we could actually improve the customer experience by eliminating passwords for Citibank.
One of the most important things that we can do to help a portfolio company or a prospective portfolio company is to validate their value proposition.
So in many ways, they get to learn sort of and mature their product by working with Citi when they partner with us. So Transmit is a strategic vendor to Citi in that sense. And it's been a very successful partnership, both as investors and customers.
Citi Ventures was absolutely critical to our success at Citibank because they helped us navigate the labyrinth of Citibank and not only helped us establish our beachhead, but they also helped us grow within Citibank over time.
The Citi Ventures team has really been, I view, as an extension of the CISO organization. They're able to tap their ecosystem, go out there, and bring technologies to us that we would not have found on our own. So Transmit's a solution that we have in production globally today. We've got over 22 million users on our platform.
The endorsement of Citibank is a tremendous endorsement. Every financial institution, every retailer, every enterprise that operates at scale understands that if you're servicing Citibank and making them happy, that you can make almost any customer in the world happy.